Welcome to this Easymotion tutorial. Today I'll show you a quick video guide for how to use Easymotion to create professional motion graphics, map animations, and social media videos. Let us begin with our first example, an HR workflow chart animation. I will start by typing the prompt. The prompt is ready, so now I will choose the resolution. I will set it to landscape and keep the output count at 2. This means Easymotion will generate 2 variations, and we can choose the one we like the most. Now I will send the request. Easymotion usually takes around 45 seconds to 1 minute to generate an animation. The results are ready. 2 versions have been created. Let us look at the first one. This looks close to what we want. Let's take a look at version 2. Version 2 looks better, so I will pick this one. I also noticed the lines do not have arrows, so I will ask Easymotion to add arrows and make the background darker. Getting the perfect result usually takes just 2 or 3 prompts. And while it's generating, you can close the window. Easymotion keeps working in the background. The updated version is ready. Let us take a look. Perfect. The arrows are added, the darker tone looks good, and the animation works as expected. Now I will export the video. I will choose MP4 and export it. If you are a video editor or motion designer and need a transparent background, then export in the transparent video format. For now, I will stay with MP4. The export request is sent. Let us open the export page. The export is being processed. Exports usually take a couple of minutes to complete. Our HR workflow animation is now exported. You can preview it, download it, and use it anywhere you like. Now let us see how to export video with a transparent background. First, I will quickly ask Easymotion to make the background transparent. It is done. As you can see, the animation is now transparent. You can export it and use it directly in any editing software, including After Effects, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and many others. Next, let us create an animation from an image. I will click Image to Animation and add an image reference. For the design reference, I'm going to search for the Airbnb home screen. I will pick an image, copy it, and paste it into Easymotion. The reference image is added, so now I will ask Easymotion to turn this design into an animation. Animation is ready. Let's have a look. The animation looks clean and smooth. Easymotion has recreated the design and added motion to it. If you want to add photos to the listings, you can upload them here and ask Easymotion to place the images inside the listing cards. Now let us move to another powerful feature called templates. Templates are the fastest way to create animations in Easymotion. You simply pick a template, customize what you need, and you are ready. I will pick the Instagram follow animation template. I will click Edit with AI, and Easymotion will open a new session for me. Here, I want to update the profile picture and the username. First, update the profile picture using the uploaded image. Next, change the username to John Dio. I will upload the profile picture and send it. Perfect. The profile picture and username are updated. Now let's see how to create map animations. Let us try with the sample prompt. I will click Map Animation button. The sample prompt says, create a map animation that zooms from the world view to Germany, draws its border with a glowing effect, fills it with the German flag, and then flies to France and does the same with the French flag. I will choose 2 outputs and set the resolution to landscape. Now I will send it. The first version looks great. Let's review the other one. The second version also looks very good. Map animations need more GPU power, so your preview may lag or look choppy. If it does, just play the preview again. But the final exported video is always smooth. After the map is generated, you can change the map style. We have many styles available. I will switch to the satellite style. Now the map appears in satellite view. If you want a darker look, choose the dark matter style. If you want labels, choose dark matter labels. This will show country and city names. Once you are happy with the result, you can export it. I also want a globe view, so I will ask Easymotion to turn this into a globe view perspective. The globe view is now ready. The map animation is complete and ready for export. Here are 3 of the most popular map animations people create with Easymotion. First, highlighting states or countries with a flag, a solid color, or a custom image. Second, pin marker animations, such as showing the top cities in a country with markers and labels. Third, simple route animations that use a clean line to connect one place to another. Just a small heads up, these routes are minimal, not the detailed road style you see in Google Maps. Next, you can create animations from CSV or Excel files. Just upload your file and Easymotion will generate bar charts, graphs, infographics, and other data animations automatically. Next, let us look at the Enhanced Prompt feature. I will take the HR workflow prompt we used earlier and click on Enhance Prompt. This feature rewrites simple prompts into clear and detailed step-by-step prompts. All you need to do is review it and make any small edits if needed. The enhanced prompt includes the structure, layout, and animation details. I noticed the title is missing, so I will add a title. If I want the animation to be transparent, I can mention that. Once everything looks good, I can send the enhanced prompt. Now let us talk about brand kits. Brand kits help you keep your videos consistent with your brand colors, fonts, and logos. I will name it Easymotion and add the primary color and background color. Now I will upload the logo. The logo has been uploaded. If you want to add more than one logo, you can name them clearly, such as square logo or horizontal logo. This makes it easier to use them later. Next, I will choose the brand font. Easymotion supports Google Fonts, so you can write any Google font name. You can also add brand guidelines. For example, you might want all your videos to use a black background, or use glass morphism. You can write these preferences here. Now I will save the brand kit. Whenever you create a new video, you can select your brand kit, and Easymotion will automatically use your colors, fonts, and logos. Finally, let's create a social media reel. I'll ask Easymotion for a 30-second vertical TikTok video on the topic, Top 3 Places to Visit in Sri Lanka, with stock images and on-screen texts. Also, let's enhance our prompt with Enhance Prompt feature. I will send the prompt, and in a few seconds, 2 versions are ready. The first version matches the brand kit perfectly. Black background, glass morphism effect, smooth transitions, and the logo appears at the end as the call to action. It looks great. Just add some music and it's ready to post. And that is how you can use Easymotion to create animations quickly and professionally. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the features and get the most out of Easymotion. If you want to stay updated with new features, improvements, and upcoming releases, make sure to join our X page. The link is in the description. And if you ever need support, feel free to reach out to us through the live chat on our website or use the support page. We are always here to help.